Hi, my name is Phil Beach from Navitend. In this episode, we're going to talk about security training for your employees. In many cases, the biggest cybersecurity risk to an organization is their own employees. We've all heard the horror stories, someone clicking a phishing email, clicking the link in a phishing email and infecting the whole network with ransomware, or accidentally wiring funds to a person who doesn't even work for the company because of a well-written spear phishing attack. Without training, employees may be unable to identify and respond to current security threats. Investing in cybersecurity training is a cost-effective way to reduce the risk profile of your organization. Employees who are well aware of the typical attacks can help to protect your organization right at the front line. The most effective training platforms include a couple of components. First, security training, typically taken annually, is an important cornerstone of properly educating your employees. Security training should cover the most relevant threats that are facing employees, including phishing. Second, simulated phishing attacks. These are phishing attacks sent to your own employees designed to assess their ability to respond to these attacks in the real world. They're designed after real phishing scenarios, and they enforce the materials by practical application. Third, reporting and assessment. It's important that your training platform provide management with an understanding of how well the employees are responding to the training. You want to make sure that you understand that your training material is actually making an impact. There are other important components that various training platforms offer. For example, dark web breach assessments can help you to know if any of your employees' email addresses have been involved in data breaches online. Cyber risk assessments can help management to quickly identify security risks within the organization. An effective security training implementation is an important component of a healthy management strategy.